Hi guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors and Camping Life, and tonight we're going to do an old favorite of ours at home. We're going to do some pork chops with cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to make a little twist on it just because we're camping and I want to. I'm going to do it in the Dutch oven. We're going to do it all in one pot, so stay tuned. This is a really super duper easy recipe. You can make it as simple as you want, so hang in there. Alright, I just wanted to brown these a little tiny bit in the Dutch oven before we start. So these are all done. I'm going to put them over here and I'm going to coat these up. So I'm going to just coat these guys. Shake and bake, I'm using an Italian crispy shake and bake. It won't really matter probably because we're going to pour the stuff on it, but this is going to be good. Adds a little flavor, you know. So I'm just going to coat these guys up, and then we'll put them in the Dutch oven with some potatoes, and I'll show you the next step. So that's the start. Time to crack open a drink. So when you're camping, you gotta enjoy life. This is so much fun. I love cooking and camping. I hope you guys have as much fun, and I hope that I encourage you to cook for your families when you're out camping, because you know, hot dogs and hamburgers are great, but when you're gone for a week or so, you gotta have something a little more to it. These little recipes are fast, easy, quick, allows you to enjoy a beer. We're gonna slow cook this. It's not gonna be too slow, probably about 45 minutes, and this is gonna be great. Oh yeah, nice way to start the evening. All right, so I got a little baby potatoes. I got the pork chops are in the Dutch oven. We're just gonna half these and pop these in enough for a meal. I'm gonna throw in some onions and I'm gonna throw in some mushrooms. So this would be really good. So we'll put in the rest of this onion and some mushrooms, and let's have a look at it right before we slam it on the coals. So I got the cream mushroom soup. I'm gonna mix some water with it before I pour that in, and I'll do that within what's in the can there as well, just make it a little liquidy. So probably want about a half a cup of water with the can, and then I'm just gonna pour this over the entire thing, and I'll do the same with the stuff in here. Perfect. So good. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour it to make a nice gravy all over everything. Nice little gravy. Nice little supper for us tonight. Yeah, this is a fantastic recipe. I mean, I think everybody's had cream of mushroom soup pork chops. If you haven't, you gotta add that to your list, because even at home this is so good. We normally just do it in a frying pan and do the whole thing up, but I want to put it in the slow cooker and put it over some coals, let this bake, and see what happens. I think this is going to be good. Alright, this is looking pretty good. So I'm using the regular cream of mushroom soup. My aunt likes the golden mushroom soup on hers. So there's, the ability to kind of play here and decide what you like. Alright, get some of these coals out and around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So, get this around for the Dutch oven. I think that'll work. It is warm. And there you have it, folks. This is how you do Dutch oven cream of mushroom soup. We'll be checking this out in 1 hour. This is going to be very tasty. This is going to be so good. It's going to be so easy. And now we go back to what we want to do. Camp, relax, and have some fun while this cooks. Hey, buddy. So this has been cooking now for about 40 minutes. So thought we'd just check on it, see how it's cooking here. Let me get this over. Look at that goodness right there. Wow. Wow. You can smell the beautiful, beautiful. Even the Italian seasoning that I had in the coated the pork chops with is coming right through. I think this is pretty well ready to eat. So I think we will take this off and dish this up. Okay, so been an hour. Let's have a look. Yeah, I wish you could smell that. Holy cow, does that ever smell good. Wow. Let me get rid of this. All right, let's have a look-see. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Those potatoes are perfect. Yep. What a great meal. We like to, when we're camping, bring things like I really like this St. Hubert's traditional coleslaw. It's a vinaigrette coleslaw. Joanne really likes 7-grain salad. So these are nice little side dishes to add to it. So let's check this bad boy out. Those potatoes are perfect. Look at that. Just perfect. And just like home. I mean, this is so good. And it's such an easy meal. It took nothing to prepare. Let's try some of that pork chop. It's cooked right through perfectly. And this has got the Italian dressing on where it was breaded. Oh yeah. Oh. Like, seriously. You have got to try this recipe. This is so easy. I'm sure most of you probably do it. But if you've never had cream of mushroom soup on pork chops, jump to it. Give it a go. This is so good. Hi, I'm Frank Zinck. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more great videos like that one, just click right here. Also, if you want more information, please head on over to my website. Thanks for watching.